Hi, it's Latoya Harris, founder, CEO of Ruby's Gold. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's jump right into it. Ruby's Gold is an all natural hair care line that I've developed because I have a natural hair care salon with my husband. Over the last 5 years, natural hair care has been on the rise, and our salon is dedicated to serving those needs. Ruby's Gold's mission is to address your hair care needs naturally. We specialize in all natural products that nourish and stimulate hair growth. Our vision is to be the biggest natural hair care line in the world. Our goal is to work with the scientists and develop a line that consists of adult products, children products, and pets. My 1 year plan is to be in stores locally while adding to my line. The cream, the oil, and the serum is currently being sold in our hair salon. Concerning our products and services, our products are designed to help people address the issues that would prevent them from wearing their natural hair. Since we own a natural hair salon, it's only right to sell products in our salon. For those who are wearing dreads, we use our cream as a base for twisting their hair. Many of our clients have reported that their hair is growing and that the oil is light, and they absolutely love it. Our products are affordable for everyone. Run about $10.99 for the cream and $10 for the bottle of oil. Since the majority of our products are sold to our clients, we just go ahead and add them to our tab because we do use them on every single client that walks in our salon. So let's talk about the market now. The total market size for the hair care industry is $160 billion. Shampoo is the biggest selling product, bringing in about $17 million. Our target are people who are inspired to regrow and to wear their hair naturally and chemically free. Age ranges from 6 to 65, both men and women. We're aiming to one day be the biggest natural hair care salon in the world. Let's talk about some of the strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities and threats. Our strength for making this product is that's all natural and the products are cost effective. Our weaknesses is that it doesn't really cost much to make. There is a process, and the steps that are needed in the process can be time consuming. Also, shipping and receiving can also pose a threat. Opportunities are endless because we have social media. Social media is one of our largest platforms on how we advertise our salon and how we advertise our products. One of the major threats is that a lot of hair care products, especially natural, are DIY. Okay, anybody can do it from anywhere at any time. All right, let's talk about advertising. This right here is the flyer that we currently have in our salon. It is strategically placed in our salon so that while our clients are sitting in our chairs, they are constantly looking at this, they're reading it, they're scoping it out, and 99.9% of the time before they leave, they walk out of there with one of our products for sure every time. Let's talk about startup costs. To start up, supplies cost about $200, packaging is about $60, labeling costs about $50, and marketing costs about $25. Marketing, let me tell you about marketing. Whenever you go into business and whenever you're thinking about cutbacks or anything like that, you never, ever, 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 never, ever, ever cut back on marketing and advertising. That is the bread and butter of your business. If no one knows you exist, then you have no business. All right. So let's talk about our best case 12-month forecast. Okay. Best case is that I sell every single thing that I have. We try to keep about 20 bottles together, which is 10 of the oils and 10 of the creams. And we hope to sell each and every one of them every single month. Worst case is that some don't sell as well. We sell half. Either way it go, when you leave our salon, you're leaving with something. And here's our projected profit loss for the whole year. Okay, these are the expenses. Out of $500 that it takes to start, if we make $5,700, we're doing really good. And this is our profit loss projection continued. And as is concerning sales, $4,800 for the year, which is still pretty good compared to only spending $500. And this is the percentage for the year, which is 70%, which isn't bad. And this is the cost of sales, and the cost of sales continued. This is our break-even analysis for our variable costs, okay? And this is the break-even analysis for our fixed costs. And as you can see, pretty simple to make, pretty straightforward, but very profitable. Very, very, very profitable, okay? Now let's get to our last slide. Last but definitely not least is speaking about the owner, CEO of Ruby's Gold, which is myself, Latoya Harris. And like I said earlier, developed this hair care line because I have a natural hair care salon that I currently co-own with my husband. I am a wife. I'm a mother of 8. I enjoy skating, eating, spending time with my family. And all of my success I attribute to having a deep relationship with God. If it was not for God, he would not have led me down this path. And this path so far has been successful. Our salon is doing well. Our the hair care line is doing well. And the longer that we've been doing it, the better that we have gotten. And I just plan on continuing to grow and continue to find new avenues to help people. One thing that I've noticed about having a business is that you have to be able to meet the needs of somebody. That's the only way that you're going to have a successful business, is that you are solving a problem. You're servicing people, meeting the needs of them, providing solutions, you know. And a lot of people would like to just be natural, to just be themselves. And we here at Ruby's Gold hope and pray to do just that. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.